Can I sit right here and watch you?
Uncle Jeremy, you helping them with a bath? You helping Mimi take a bath? Is Ella your helper?
No, she stayed there.
Yeah, she needs to stay there. Okay, Mimi.
You see Mimi's face. Mimi's in the tub.
Okay, Mimi.
What a good
Mimi?
sister you are.
Good sister.
You helping her get ready for bed? Ella?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
I'm helping her get ready for bed.
Oh, good. You're doing a
Okay.
good job. Look at you.
Okay, Mimi.
Uh-oh.
You're such a big girl.
It's her phone.
Can I see your face?
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Let's see you.
No. Okay, that's good. All right, don't push on her though, because she's a little baby.